Hey guys, so for today's video I'll be doing a review of this BeBird x17 Pro. And if you guys don't know what this is a smart visible otoscope ear cleaner, and also this is with HD camera. What? So this product is perfect for those of you who are curious what's inside your ear, if it's dirty or not. And also this is safe for kids. It is because the ear cleaning spoon is actually made of silicone. So first let's do the unboxing. So once you open it, this is how it looks like. And here we have the manual book, and right here you can see how to download the app. You can just scan the code to download the app, and then once you download the app, you can just connect to the Wi-Fi of the BeBird, and then you can just watch it from your phone. So here they actually say what you have in this box. You have the charging base and also the ear cleaner thingy. This is actually also a storage box. So once you open this, you can actually see some other cleaner tools to use. So in this box, they include 2 pieces of Q elastic ear spoon, 2 pieces accessories storage bucket, 2 pieces deep ear digging spoon, 3 pieces of silver needle massage Heyy rod. I don't know if I said it right. 2 pieces of annual ear spoon, 3 pieces of alcohol cotton swab, 4 pieces enjoyable cotton swab, and 1 piece of I'm just kidding. And lastly, a Type-C charging cable. So yeah, those are the products that they include. So now let's talk about my experience using this product. So the first time I used it was actually very satisfying, and I will insert clip right here. This is gross, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. So when I used it, I thought it was gonna be like, oh my god, there's gonna be so much dirt in my ear. But then I realized inside my ears was actually really hairy. I mean, that is normal, right? Because those hairs actually preventing dirt to come inside our ear. So I mean, some of you do wax it, but I don't really do that. So yeah, when I was exploring in my ear, I found out something in there, and I was like, is that a pimple? And yeah, it was kind of hard to remove, and at the same time it was satisfying, not gonna lie. And yeah, while you're watching it from your phone, it actually looks like it's so big, the dirt is like so big, but actually it's not. It was kind of like just a little dirty. So yeah, this product's actually not bad. And yeah, also my brother tried it and he was like shocked. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. If you guys are interested on trying this product out, I will link it down below. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.